guys, my name is Arezzini and I'm the co-founder and CEO of Teami Blends. And today I'm inviting you into my home to have brunch with me. All right, I'm gonna show you exactly what I make. And it's healthy, it's delicious, and it's a green omelet. Come on in. I'm making an omelet for 2 people. It turns green and it has only green ingredients in it. So I'm using 6 eggs. This is one of my favorite recipes. I've been having it for years and years and years. Okay, so after you've cracked your 6 eggs into some sort of bowl, some mixing bowl, and if you're making it for yourself, you can totally use 2 eggs or 3 eggs. I'm just super hungry and I need that big brunch. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna crack these little guys and then I'm just gonna mix them. Now I'm going to cut my green vegetables. This is what's gonna go into, we have green onion, cilantro, we have dill, and we have spinach. I'm just gonna cut it into small pieces. I cut it as small as I can because I don't want it to be in big pieces in my omelet. But I don't get too technical with it. I'm not a master chef or anything. Just trying to get my food on. This is dill. A lot of people don't know about this, but it gives so much flavor to your food, and again, it's healthy for you. My mom says that anything with the color green is good for you. So basically, eat a ton of greens. Next, I have my cilantro. I am obsessed with cilantro. And last but not least, I have my green onions. So I love onion, but if you want to only put 1, you can only put 1. I'm putting 3 because I'm a little onion crazed. A lot of people don't know this, but like the onion part of the green onions is this part. It's like not this part, it's this part. And as you see, you're starting to make a green omelet. It always reminds me of like green eggs and ham. I'm like, this is actually green eggs. I add salt. If you want to get crazy and add more seasonings, you can. I just kind of keep it simple because it has so much flavor already from the green ingredients. You put it to the side and you grab your coconut oil. And you can use butter if you want, you can use olive oil. I like to use coconut oil. For me, it's the healthiest. It also digests better, but it's totally personal preference, but I like to use coconut oil. So I put it on low, because I don't like to burn it. So after your butter or your coconut oil has melted, you just like to kind of shake it so to make it very even. Then I add a lid and I just let it do its thing. So it's been about 5 minutes, and as you can tell, the bottom is hard. So it's like this area on the top is still soft, and you have it on low the whole time because I don't want to burn it. But this is when you want to flip it. And you can flip it all the way over. You can make it into an omelet. I don't know what I'm gonna do. We're gonna try it and we'll see what we do. No. Okay, we're gonna do it again. There we go. Warning, I am not a professional master chef. I just do things that are healthy. And then I'm just gonna put it back on for another 2 to 3 minutes and then we'll be done. Okay, so now it's done and I'm just gonna take the lid off. I'm gonna turn off the gas stove, and you can tell that it's done because it looks like a pizza. I always think it's like a pizza. So I'm just gonna cut it in half because I'm sharing it with my friend. And as you can tell, you have here an amazing green omelet. Boom. Right there. I just added some extra veggies here, nothing special. Bell pepper, tomato, avocado, cucumber. I added some lemon, and I'm gonna add some salt, and that's it. Keep it simple. You're gonna love it, I promise. And that is how I made my brunch. Super healthy. I'm gonna enjoy it with one of my really close friends right now. And I hope you use this recipe because this is real life. This is what I make. You can make it during the week. You can make it for dinner. You can make it for lunch, and it's filling and super healthy for you. If you have any questions, just put them in the comments below. I hope you love this recipe because I do. And I will see you next time. Bye.